Thank you for watching our Alpine Loop series. Subscribe to our channel and watch our journey over Cinnamon Pass and our white knuckle adventure over Engineer Pass. The ghost town of Animas Forks was a speculator community located in the San Juan Mountains. It was founded in 1875 and inhabited until the 1920s. The boom and bust cycle of the timber mill and gold mine was interrupted by two separate fires that ravaged the town. So we're up over 11,000 feet, I think exactly 11,200. And we're heading into the Duncan House, which is the really fancy house when you come into town. Okay, we're going in. They have glass windows. There's Sawyer.
Mom, let's go upstairs.
So it's got this cool bay window that looks very fancy when you pull up. That's their view from the Duncan House. Lucky people. Sawyer's saying the stairs are really narrow.
Is that Dad's name?
Oh yeah, the forest ranger said, "Watch out for the mouse poop." She was right. The Duncan House has been taken over by rats. These little bedrooms with beautiful views. All right, back down. Take advantage of going into the houses here in Animas Forks because the other ghost town the buildings are closed. And they also have artifacts from the Ute tribes in some of the houses here to look at. In 2011, a restoration project commenced to preserve this unique piece of American history. A short walk to your neighbor's house. Yes, here it gives history of the Ute Noosh people. Sawyer looks so tall and huge in this house. You wouldn't want to run out in a hurry. The old chimney.
Mom, come and look at this house.
What is this house?
I don't know. I think the labeling is somewhere. Mom.
Oh, be careful with it. Hey, don't play with it. Door. It's a little 10-sided house.
Like nothing. It's just a room.
This one's probably the cleanest in the whole
That's
place.
Look at that shine. That's something right there.
Something was there, yeah. They had something nailed there.
Mom,
Well, what this is?
it's supposed to be ghosting.
This almost seems like a schoolhouse, but it would be too small. I like the shingles on these houses. I bet this was a fancy house. The big windows, big porch. This is house number 4. This is the Gustovson home. Gustovson. It's Charles and Alma Inge Gustovson. They had 4 children. The children were, Carl was born in a tent in October in 1906. They bought this land for $1, and it had an indoor toilet. There they are. Oh. Oh, here's wallpaper samples.
This gun here.
Things you learn.
The diamond did?
It says in 1910 they sold the house for $110 plus 2% interest.
I don't see the diamond in
They had initially bought it for $1. Colorado land values. Here they are on their wedding day. What a cool life.
Mom, hurry!
And there's their view. There's your $1 view. Sam's getting gravel out of his shoes.
No, it's wood.
Oh, he's got wood in his shoes. They got 27 feet of snow one year here, and they had to tunnel into their homes. They would snowshoe and ski. So the ladies were stalwart. The ladies were experts. Look at them.
It's literally tears.
And there was a person lost in a snowstorm. That's very sad. Oh, look at this fireplace.
Let's go on. The chimney is sticking out.
Here is the Animas Forks jail. 1882. Says it survived 50 years without a roof. It was vandalized. People tore out the bars, but they've restored it. They've added the security door, the plank flooring, the headers. And there was a flat roof put on that wasn't historic in order to preserve the walls, and so that was replaced. And they replaced it with a board-on-board gable roof based on photographic evidence from the past. So you can see here in this picture, hopefully, there's the Animas Forks jail before it was restored, the Creed jail, Telluride jail, and Red Mountain. Look at that heavy doors. No one can escape this jail. Look how thick that is.
It's like 4 inches thick.
Oh, says this is part of our heritage. We have to preserve it. It would have been so dark to have been jailed in here. It would have been a horrible place to spend much time.
Yeah.
And make you want to mind the rules to not have to be in a dark place. There's your view when you are finally released.
Mom, let's go see the church.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tour through the past. Subscribe.